So we're going to take out the coconut from the shell now. Yeah, here's it. I'm going to grate my coconut now. Over there, my helper, extracting the juice from the coconut. The oil will be extracted from that and that part. And then this meal now, see, it will be dried and producing coconut. You can be making a bake, a cake, could be made into sugar cake, because reason of it, half of the juice still remain in this. So it's not entirely washed out. If it's entirely washed out, then it's only good for animals. But I am a man who tries to save everything I can. This will dry now and it could be packaged.
You put that in bakes and cakes now.
So you can package this and sell it as an individual.
Yes, as a product.
An individual product. Excellent. So as I understand it, there's several products that you can make from the coconut.
Exactly.
You can make coconut oil. You can use this coconut milk itself. You can pour this in your other beverages if you wish. You can use it as you would use cow's milk. You can use the hashi in cakes. You can. That's lovely. So that is an extremely rich mixture there. It is totally organic or totally natural. No preservatives, nothing man-made. It is from the coconut, squeezed out of the coconut, and we can ingest it in any way we choose. So you're choosing to do this to make oil. Now what are you going to do with the coconut oil, Mr. Guy?
Well, it could be marketed if I can supply an amount, but I really just do it for in a small way for our own use. No, it takes a long time. And the reason of it, the morning was very cold.